7-day belly fat challenge that actually works for stubborn visceral fat. Are you doing everything right, yet your belly still refuses to shrink? Let me hit you with something most people never hear. Most belly fat tips only target surface level fat, not the deep, dangerous visceral fat wrapped tightly around your organs. And that's the fat that makes your stomach feel firm, swollen, and stuck, no matter how healthy you eat. Here's the part nobody warns you about. Visceral fat behaves like a hormone-disrupting machine. It messes with your hunger signals, drives your stress hormones higher, and blocks your body from burning fat, even when you're in a calorie deficit. But the next few minutes will completely change how you think about belly fat, because this 7-day challenge is designed to target the real root cause, and most people start noticing a difference by day 3. Day 1. Reset your insulin window. If you only follow one step this entire week, let it be this. Tonight, stop eating at least 3 hours before bed. This gives your insulin levels a clean drop they need. Your body's signal to start burning stored fat instead of storing more. Most people wake up the next morning shocked at how much lighter and flatter their stomach feels. Think of this step as flipping your body's fat-burning switch. Day 2, the 10-minute after breakfast walk. Here's a strange truth. Timing matters more than intensity. A simple 10-minute walk after breakfast dramatically lowers the glucose spike from your first meal. Less spike equals less storage, which means less belly fat over time. If you ever feel tired or sleepy after eating, this one trick changes everything. Day 3, swap one carb. This isn't a diet. It's a tiny shift with huge impact. Swap white rice for brown, white bread for whole grain, or regular potatoes for sweet potatoes. The fiber slows sugar movement in your bloodstream and prevents those sharp spikes that feed visceral fat. By now, most people notice less bloating, especially in the lower belly. Day 4, add a protein anchor. This is where cravings finally start to calm down. Add a solid protein source to every meal. Eggs, chicken, fish, beans, cottage cheese, anything you enjoy. Protein keeps your hunger stable, so you're not tempted to snack late at night. This alone changes the look of your waist by day 5. And one of these 7 days makes the biggest difference. I'll reveal which one before we finish. Keep listening. Day 5, the stress drop technique. Stress can keep belly fat locked in place for years. Today's task: whenever stress hits, take 5 slow breaths. Deep in, slow out. It sounds small, but lowering cortisol helps your body release stubborn belly fat. Most people feel a surprising sense of calm on this day. A calm they didn't realize they were missing. Day 6. Add one gut-friendly food. Your gut controls inflammation, hormones, and fat-burning signals. Today, add just one gut-friendly food. Yogurt, kefir, kimchi, bananas, sauerkraut. Whatever feels easy. When your gut bacteria improve, visceral fat becomes far easier for your body to access. This step surprises people most. Day 7, the water rebalance trick. Most people drink water wrong. Add a tiny pinch of pink salt to your morning water. It helps your body absorb water instead of flushing it straight out. Better hydration equals better digestion, and better digestion equals better fat burning. And before we reach the climax, tap like if these steps already feel doable. Now, here's the moment you've been waiting for. The day that makes the biggest difference is day 1. Fixing your nighttime eating window triggers the strongest hormonal shift, and it makes every other step work faster. If you skip everything else, don't skip this one. To wrap this up, this challenge works because instead of fighting your body, it aligns your eating, stress, movement, and hydration with how your metabolism is designed to function. Try this for 7 days. You'll notice changes in your hunger, your energy, your mood, and yes, your waistline. And remember, your body changes when your habits change, not when motivation randomly shows up. If you want the perfect next step, watch drink 1 cup before breakfast for 7 days. Your belly fat will melt. It pairs perfectly with this challenge.